everyone, this is Vidya Shri here. Welcome you all to this Jury Sister channel. Today, I have a very good theme which is called Know Your Rights. Part 1, which deals with arrest of a woman, the legal rights which is available to a woman when she is getting arrested. So before I follow up with the video, I wanted to thank you all for such a wonderful cooperation and such a wonderful encouragement through 100 subscribers in a second video itself and 300 views till now. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get started. So in this video, I wanted to deal with 4 main things which is related to the arrest of a woman. So firstly, what is arrest? And secondly, who can arrest a woman? And thirdly, how a woman can be arrested, which has been explained through provisions of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, and finally with the relevant case laws. Totally, there are 4 main provisions in CRPC which deals with the arrest of a woman or the legal right which is available to her when she is getting arrested. So the first provision is nothing but 46 class 4 of CRPC. No women can be arrested after sunset and before sunrise except by prior written permission of a judicial magistrate. And the second provision, 51 class 2 of CRPC, deals with a female can only be searched by another female police officer with strict regard to her decency. And the third provision is nothing but 53 class 2 of CRPC. Medical examination of a woman should be carried only under the supervision of female medical practitioner. And final provision is about 160 class 1 talks about women should not be called to the police station or to any place other than the place of residence for questioning or for acquiring any information by any police officer. Now we are in a very main area called what is arrest. So I wanted to make you all understand first what is arrest before moving on to arrest of a woman or the legal rights which is available to her. So the definition of arrest or the expression or the term arrest which is not available or which has not been defined anywhere in any enactment including CRPC. So in state of Haryana versus Dinesh Kumar, in 2008 case, the Supreme Court has stated clearly that the expression of arrest is not defined in any enactments dealing with criminal offences. But the only indication we have is with the section 46 of CRPC describes about the mode of arrest. So the court cited the meaning of the arrest very clearly that the apprehension, which is called fear or the restraint or the deprivation of one's personal liberty. Hope you all understand the formal meaning of this definition arrest. So the arrest is nothing but taking any person into the custody of another person under legal authority empowered by law for the purpose of detaining him to answer a criminal charge and to prevent him to commit a criminal offences. In simpler terms, taking a person into the judicial custody is followed by the arrest of a person. So, you all know what is arrest now. Yes, right. Okay. So, there are 2 types of arrest. Arrest can be made in 2 ways. One with the warrant and the other without the warrant. Generally, there has to be a justifiable cause to arrest any person by the police officer. This has been held in Joginda Kumar versus State of Uttar Pradesh case. So, the next question arises, who can arrest? Only 3 persons is authorized by law can arrest any person. Police officer, magistrate and private persons. So, a police officer can arrest any person under section 41 of CRPC without the order of the magistrate or warrant. If any person satisfy the following, any of the following circumstances so that the police officer can arrest without the warrant. First, he has committed any cognizable offences or he has been declared as the offender either under CRPC or by the order of the state government, or if he is reasonably suspected to be in possession of any stolen property, or if he has been escaped or attempts to escape from the lawful custody, or if he restricts any police officer in execution of his lawful duty, or if he is suspected to be a deserter from any armed forces of the Union, or if he is concerned under any law relating to the extradition, or if he is being released to commits the breach of any rule mentioned under section 356 of class 5 of CRPC, or whose requisitions to arrest has been received from the another police officer specifying the person's detail to be arrested and the grounds of his arrest clearly. So the police officer is also empowered under section 42 of CRPC to arrest any person who has committed a non-cognizable offences and refuses to, and if the accused person who refuses to provide his name or residence's address on several demands by the police officer, or if he believes that the information said by the accused person is to be false, or in order to ascertain such information, the magistrate and the private persons also in some of the circumstances can arrest any persons. So the procedure of the arrest is being prescribed in section 46 of CRPC. Now we are into the main provisions of this video, which talks about the special provisions which is meant for the females exclusively when she is getting arrested, or what are the legal rights which is available to her. So due to some of the concerns of violation of the rights of women, a new provision was inserted in section 46, that is subsection 4. Subsection 4 of section 46 forbids the arrest of the women after sunset, but it also has some exceptions. In some of the exception circumstances, arrest can be made by a female police officer to arrest a female after sunset and before sunrise. But such arrest can be done after sunset by a women police officer alone after making a written report and obtaining a prior permission from the concerned judicial magistrate of first class. This is being held in one case called State of Maharashtra versus Christian Community Welfare Council of India 2003 case. Basically, this provision talks about search of an arrested person. So, the subsection 2 of section 51 talks about when a female is being searched by a police officer, the search shall be conducted by another female person or a female police officer only. So, some of the restrictions which is given mandatorily to be followed by a police officer when he or she is arresting a female. And the second criteria is that such search made by a female police officer should be with strict regard to her decency. According to the section 53 of CRPC, examination of accused by a medical practitioner at the request of the police officer. So basically, when a female is being arrested on a charge of committing an offences, there must be some reasonable grounds to believe that such examination will afford evidences as to the commission of such offences. So the act of the medical practitioner must be lawful at the request of the police officer. Such police officer must not be below the rank of sub-inspector, and such examination shall be made only by or under the supervision of a female registered medical practitioners. So female arrested person can be examined only by the registered female medical practitioner. Section 53 also deals with the description of the examination report in such prescribed format. The provisions of Chapter 12 talks about information to the police and their powers to investigate the matter or the cases. So the police officers power to require attendances of the witnesses. So according to this provision or section 160 subsection 1 talks about a woman should not be called to a police station or to any place other than the place of residence for questioning. This is nothing but, in a simpler term, let me explain you people. No women shall be required to attend the investigation conducted by any police officer to acquire information which appears to be acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case at any place other than the place in which a female resides. This provision ensuring the safety of a female and the respect towards the female is being ensured clearly under this section 160 subsection 1. So I have provided 4 or 5 case laws in this video for your quiet understanding with regard to this arrest of a woman or the legal rights which is available under CRPC when a female is getting arrested. So the first the case law which deals about the duty of the police officer making an arrest to keep the arrested females segregated from men and kept in a female lockup in the police station or in a separate room in the same premises, which is being held in Sheila Barsi versus State of Maharashtra. Thank you all for listening to this video till the end, and I wanted to make it clear that because of you people only I could make it more and more. For please be connected with us and please do watch our channel daily. Do follow it. Please do subscribe, share, like and comment to our channel so that we can improve ourselves in our next and next videos. Thank you so much for your encouragements and support. Thank you guys.